Oh, okay. How many of you know what this is? Oh my God, I spent so much time using these things. Go ahead and leave, before we reveal, take a minute, drop your comment. Do you know what this is? What is it? So, you know, this matrix here is how you could find the exact location for the piece of information you were looking for. You would scroll over to it. Yeah, so you would put the, by the way, if you haven't figured it out, it's a microfiche reader. You would put your microfiche in here, and then you would position it at the point on this grid for where you wanted to look for the information, and then you could read it, or you just keep scrolling through. So, very cool. All right, well, and look, we can see ourselves. Hello, how are you? All right, come on, let's dive in. I've never taken one of these apart before. This could be fun. So I think the first thing we'll do is we're just going to cut this cord real quick so that we don't have this tailing around, getting in the way. And we've got a bunch of Phillips screws to get out the way here. There's a little flapper drawer here. This probably would have been spare light bulbs. That's what I'm guessing, that's what that was for. No screws in there, no screws there. I don't think that's anything on that side. Nothing there. We've got some, we're going to need some socket for that, socket drivers for that. We've got screws here for this faceplate. You know, this is not a terribly complicated machine, so I'm not expecting a whole lot out of it. All right, we have a mirror, and that just unscrews. I don't know, we'll set that mirror aside. God, Jesus, Lord, you be ugh. You be ugh, man. All right. Yeah, we get that out there and that over there. See, we got another mirror inside here. It's not coming out just yet, so let's hold off on that for a minute. I think where we're going to find the value is in all the shreds. So not really saying that's value, but that's where I think it's going to be. And nothing there. All right, now we're gonna have to get these sockets out. Let's see, are they 1/4 inch by any chance? They don't feel like it. Let's see. Wait a minute. Let's find out. Nah. All right, hang on. 7 mil. All right. Seven mil didn't work. Why didn't you work? 7 mil might be just a little big, so maybe it is imperial. You know, it might have been that, you know what, I think it is a 1/4 inch, but I think this was too thick. And so it couldn't get past the plastic. Yep, that's what it was. Wow, that's a long screw. All right, now, what did that do? That took off this part. Now we have this mechanism to get out the way. A lot of plastic on this. A lot of plastic. But I'm pretty sure that's all tin. Let's see. Wait a minute. Really? Huh, aluminum. And aluminum. And aluminum. I'm pleasantly surprised. We still didn't get this mirror loosened up yet. I'm not going to get too worried about it. It looks like it's a plastic catch right there for that mirror. So, yeah. I'm not going to worry about it. I might go after it a little bit more later on. That's just a mirror. Nothing terribly too exciting or interesting there. Now, that's the lens for, you know, magnifying the image. No screws there, no screws there. Hey, that looks like that's extruded aluminum. Very interesting. All right, so we have some flatheads here. And what are you? Aluminum, extruded aluminum. And we have some more flatheads on this bracket. That's pretty heavy. I'm pretty sure that's stainless. Excuse me, it's ferrous. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch some scrap by the toe. If it hollers, let it go. All right, so this is just plastic. And that opens access to this screw here and here, which should remove this slider. And same over here. All right. These guys are ferrous, big heavy chunks of ferrous. Might be screws hidden underneath of this label. Yep, don't see any. Or maybe that's what you do, because that's how you would have changed the light bulb. So you just press right where it says press, duh, chucklehead. That thing, you press that, and then this whole tray slides out. So that's your light source. The light would have gone through here, come up through the magnifying lens so that you could blow up the image of what you were reading. Yeah, not a whole lot to get too excited about here. We've got some wire. Get this wire loose. And there's a transformer that we can sell as a copper bearing motor. Get you guys off of here, ground strap. Get the wire off of the transformer. Number 2 insulated wire. There's another nice mirror right there. And those clamps are pretty easy to take that off. So there you go. Ooh, there you go. You can see yourself. Pretty cool. Mirrors are cool. I just think mirrors are so neat. Let's see. I'm not going to worry about the light bulb. We're going to leave that where it is. I'm going to leave that little bit of plastic on there. And just a little nut. So we'll get this motor, this transformer off of here. These nuts are a little bit tight. I'm not going to waste your time with that. A socket should take care of that without any trouble. And that'll get us this little transformer to go with our motors. This is a real nice piece of extruded aluminum. Get this galvanized steel off of here. Get this dirty off of here. And now you want to come off. I think we can just give you a little bit of a pop like this. There we go. There's our lens. Cool. Yeah, that's a real nice magnifying lens. So I'm going to set that aside. My brother teaches science and math, and so he loves it when I send him stuff like that for his classroom. And then here's a nice big chunk of extruded aluminum. So that's very cool. This turns out to be the really valuable part of this Microfiche reader. Sweet.